Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change password here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing password in BigCommerce is a simple process that serves very important, especially if you are periodically managing sensitive business and customer data. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Profile section right here. And then obviously you'll see the password section. All you're going to do is click that. And now, all you're gonna do is really easy. You can change the password you use to log in into BigCommerce. Type in the current password, put in the new password and confirm password. But please take note that changing your password will sign you out of your current session and you will need to enter the new password of when you sign back in, especially if you're using the BigCommerce in mobile or other devices. Now, if you haven't already, you might want to check that your password must contain any of these. At least 12 characters, one or more uppercase letters, one or more special characters or symbols, lowercase letters, or one or more numbers, all right? And then from there, all you have to do is click on save. If in case you are having problems changing your password here in BigCommerce, you might want to go to the BigCommerce customer support. They have a 24 support team. When you click on this, and once you get a hold of the support staff, tell them you are having problems changing your password here in BigCommerce, and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.